anyone can do. Nice music. Well, 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 well. This sound so good thus far. Trust me. On all honesty, this sound so good thus far. What I do respect about these people, right? They are really good at dancing, singing, performing, communicating, right? These are the type of people who loves family, friends, foes, right? All of those. And I do appreciate that love, bro. Trust me. The dance go with the song, the movement go with the crowd, and also the movement go with the crewmates. Okay, look, this is a very well set performance if you ask me. Lovely moves. Look, I have to go and practice some of these moves because I can't dance. But when I see music and movement like this, bro, it's inspired. My inspirations started to come in deep, because watch, they can dance really good. And I have to start move like them, right, to get these moves into place, right? Having this dance in our party, anything like that, our club or somewhere that you guys play these songs, it would be a very great night. With the female and you're dancing with a particular woman, bro, it would be a very great night. The energy that is coming from this is also amazing. Very impressive. Gorgeous. Let's continue. You guys are really good at this, trust me. You guys are good at the language and also the English speaking as well, bro.
You can lose control. Never afraid, never afraid.
Buka, 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 look. Yo, the slow. Wonderful. Just wonderful. I have to say, I'm a fan now. I'm a big fan of him now because of what he's delivered now. And I think I'll be keeping up with his work because he also is doing a great work. Music is literally essential when you're feeling it, when you're having a very great time. And this is what I've get from this song so far. Essential music, soulful music, awesome music, a longevity music.
I'm Jay from
Please don't forget to leave a like on this video, smash a subscribe button, and also share this to a friend, to a Japanese friend, telling him or her about the Jamaican reactor. And if you guys do have any more suggestions that you guys would like me to check out after this reaction, please